Hey guys, I'm doing another video, and I have a friend joining me today. She does not have Animal Jam, but she is right by me right now, and yeah, she made this little outfit for me, and I love it. I love how this thing, the hat, the princess fairy hat, looks so ginormous. Like, oh, and if you guys haven't known, they spelled fairy wrong. What's your favorite animal?
A dog.
Okay. Me too. It's just kind of awkward. Ooh, trade me a rare bow. A dog. Okay. Okay. I don't know what to do in this video. Please trade me rare. Sorry, I like seeing what people have on trade. I kind of want that top hat that she's wearing. Sorry, guys. I want to click on your name, but no. How does move? Okay, I got it. Please tell me you have that top hat on trade, and then I'll trade you a rare for it. Yes. I want that top hat. I rated $20 and a rare mail stamp. No! Accepted. I'll trade for that rare. Yeah. Yeah, guys, just today I noticed that the Terry's table was in stores, and I traded like a couple of my rares for it the other day. Now I'm so mad at myself. So, yeah, I'm mad. So, yay to me! I hope you're happy, America! Okay, what should I trade him? I don't know what to trade him. I just want that top hat.
Top hats are like beta, aren't they?
Sorry, guys, I get so mad. Okay, let's get on to it. What should I do, Ella?
I have no idea. He's so weird.
Rare princess necklace. I don't know if those are like beta. I don't think they are, but I can get that in the diamond shop, so no. What color do you want me to mix?
Green.
Green and
blue.
Light it off. Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. Now which cup thing?
That weird shaped one right there. They're all weird shaped, so.
Okay. It's poison.
It is.
It's gonna kill someone.
Then kill someone.
Ooh, I need to go to the doctor's office and give it to someone and kill them. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I'm so kidding, guys. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna blow up. Okay, I'm a princess fairy adoption, okay, guys? Too much people! Ooh, I just saw a guy with a top hat. Doesn't have no trade. Okay. If you guys never noticed, his name is Old Grandpa. I need to change it to a crazy man. Okay. Should its eyes be like this? Yeah. And if he's a grandpa, he needs some square shades. I'm kidding. He needs those.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. I'm just gonna do that. He's an old grandpa. Whee! With long hair that make him look cool. Okay. And You know, guys, I never shared this with you, but I used to think that Lady Gaga was like an old woman with white hair that was really curly and really short, and then like this farm dress with a little coat, and really fat. And then once I saw Lady Gaga, like a picture of her, I was like, how was I wrong? Because I don't know how to picture Lady Gaga. I mean, she was a lady, but Gaga, I don't, like grandma, I don't know. I've never been in here, guys. Oh, yes, I have. I never knew this is where you go to go into the adventure map place. You go in here. I am so stupid. Oh! And here's how you do like all the bubble quests. For all the people who are to do bubbly quests. I'm such
I like
an
that top hat. Black one.
What black top hat?
Oh man.
Where is it?
Right there.
Oh yeah, I'm not sure if you can buy those. That's a girl. I want to kind of be a buddy. Oh well. Okay. I'm not gonna do adventure right now because my sister just like did the adventure yesterday and it took like 40 minutes. So I just figured I'm not gonna do it. My bunny is so small. What party is on? Play your pet party. Ooh, I love this. Oh, I have to have a pet equipped it, so. Which pet should I have?
Yeah.
The puppy?
Yeah.
Of course. Okay. I have my puppy equipped and now I'm gonna play as my pet. I bet everyone in Jamal has like tripped out this party.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, it's been around for kind of long. I don't know. I don't think I was here when it started, so I don't really know. But yeah, I love my doggy because it's chasing after a bone and it's a camera. Okay, I'm gonna give my puppy a bath. Okay. Woo! Okay, good. Okay. Okay. What color should I do? Ella? Pink? That one. Yeah. This one?
Yeah.
Ooh. Which color?
Red.
I'm not sure why you need that.
Yeah.
I never knew that, guys! I want to clean my pet again! Which one?
Red. No, blue.
Okay, I'm cleaning it again. Because I want to see what... Now which one this time?
Pink.
Now which one?
Green.
That one's the normal one. I'm pretty sure. Yeah. Let's try the yellow. Oh, I just noticed it's green, yellow, and red for the top lights. I just noticed that. I'm such an idiot.
Mm-hmm.
And you just admitted I was. Okay, now which one? This one?
Yes. Yellow.
That one's the more fast. I love that red one because it looks like a chainsaw.
Yeah.
Okay, well, we have like a couple minutes left, but I might stop this one kind of early. Okay, I don't know why. I might not. I might. Load! Okay. This. Which one? This. How did I know? Which one? Or you can choose none.
I like it how it is.
Yeah, okay. What one should I do?
Here, do that one.
Now I'm a girl.
It's cute.
I'm so, like, hot. I'm a doggy. Oh, yeah. Come on, marry me. I'm so weird.
Yeah.
The pet's only party. Okay. I like this butterfly.
Yeah.
I don't know why I named my dog Chewy Sky, but like my dog's names
Chewy
are so
Sky.
weird. Like, see, Chewy Sky. This one's Blueberry. I really like Blueberry because it's like a berry and it's blue. This one is Water Wings and it doesn't even go in the water. It doesn't even have wings. This one is Flutterfly, which I kind of like. Jellyberry, really? This one is Jelly Apple. Just as Chewy Sky. That's Jelly Chip. That's Jelly Chip, and that is Purple Chip, and that is Flutterberry. So I'm recording, and I'm hi, I'm recording.
Hi, Chewy Chip.
Who's Chewy Chip? Oh, there's Chewy Chip. I've always wanted a panda. I want them to come back, but I can't buy them. What does that mean? A lot of people. Who cares? Okay. Let's go. Okay, I'm not gonna stay here for the rest of my 3 minutes left. I'm gonna.
What?
Well, those are kind of beta, but that's a rare one. I'm not gonna accept. I want them. I don't know.
Wait, are we done with the video?
Not yet. We have like 3 minutes left, but that's like 180 seconds, a little less. 160 seconds.
Yeah.
Maybe like, I don't know. I'm bad at math. Yeah, she's typing on her different computer. That's not on. That doesn't work. Okay, it's my old computer, but it doesn't work. But it's okay.
Not true. It's not true.
I used to do it. See, look, I'm doing it right now. Woo! I'm typing. Okay. See, I just did it. I was doing it earlier today with her, so no, I'm the one to blame, okay? I'm ice cream awesomeness!
Now it's turned on.
No, I'm not. I'm kidding.
Oh my god.
The ice.
I'll quit.
When I get on the ice, it cracks. I knew that. Okay, I'm gonna get some hot cocoa.
What's cool?
What if someone's name was Coco and he had a girlfriend named Hot Cocoa?
That'd be weird.
Which one? Which cup?
That one.
Which?
That one.
Which one?
The
dark one?
Yeah.
Okay.
Is that
Which
coffee?
one? Yeah. No, it's hot chocolate.
Oh.
I think.
Great.
Which one?
Let's do some of that.
This?
Whatever it is.
This is weird.
Yeah.
Okay, let's read a book. Frogs! Frogs! That looks funny. I'm reading!
We read too fast.
You cannot even keep up.
Yeah.
We only have a couple 20 seconds left, okay, guys? Say bye to my friend. Okay, you guys said bye. Okay, now say bye to me. Bye!